house for rent in city center. We are 3.5 or 4 blocks from the beach, 1.5 blocks from the market of San Juan del Sur. We have a 3 bedrooms with 2 baths, and it's like 1 terrace east part of the house, and second terrace has actually a type of beachfront with like chairs here also. So it has like stairs to arrive, and we have our living room with small TV. This small also dining table has a bar. You have the kitchen bar here, and there is a complete kitchen with like the toaster. You have a juice maker, coffee machine, microwave and stove oven. You have a blender, also a rice cooker, and a 2-door fridge. So we have a storage over here. There is washer on my side and dryers available for the renters, and it has also hot water. So we have 3 beds. I'm starting with the main one, the master room. It has a queen bed, and it has an ensuite bathroom. A storage here, private to the owner. And then we have our back terrace over here, and 1 bathroom with 2 bedrooms, kids' bedroom, so smaller bathroom. And then room number 2 with 2 single bed, and room number 1, which is the smallest room. You see all the bedrooms have ACs. Also you have 1 AC unit in the living room, and you have like curtains everywhere to keep the sun out. We go now on the back terrace, and this is actually the main spot for me where you will be most of the afternoon to keep fresh. The sun is behind us, and you see we have like so it's a private neighborhood, and the main road is at about 100 meters from here, just here, you see. And if you see the ocean is over here, so we are like 4 blocks from the beach. Okay, I'm Bastien, showing again here. 3 bed, 2 baths with 2 terrace for rent in San Juan del Sur.